when you are committed to yourself and when you are committed to others, there is this manifestation of the proactivity, which means if you just say I am proactive, I am good, I think good, I do everything good, fine, but it's only some random thought you are getting in your mind, unless you show that in the form of a commitment to yourself first and to other people. For example, you say something that you promise someone that I will help you in this so and so matter because this is important, but you never even care about again checking back with the person, keeping your word about helping the person, and even if they come and ask you, you try to avoid it. So you gave a promise, you are violating it. So where it will feed you first? It will feed in your brain that you are bad in keeping your promises. Similarly, if you are in a good position in the society and you commit to others and you don't do that, what will happen? People will lose trust on you. So if they lose the trust on you, then how can you be a leader? How can you grow as a leader? So this is very much important, the essence of our growth as well. So it's very important to keep the commitments to ourselves and also with respect to other people. And this strengthens the willpower. Willpower is a fluctuating thing. Unless you are a great yogi, you never have the same amount of willpower all through the day even. So at the same time, when you are continuously failing on your commitments, you say something, you fail. You think of reading a good book, but you postpone it for many number of days, months, years. You feel like you want to complete a project, but you never complete a project immediately. So what will happen? You always try to plan something, you fail. This is again feeding back to your mind, saying you are weak, you are unable to do this, it's not possible for you, you don't have strength, you don't have courage, your past is not good, so your present also will not be good, and your future also will be screwed. So this mental talk itself will kill you. That's the reason. Make small commitments and keep the commitments with yourself and also with others. By doing so, you actually build your confidence. When you build your confidence, all your skills come alive. Your skills also will tell you, your mind tells you, yes, you have done that, why can't you do this? So commitment need not be so huge that you fail by looking at the weight of it. Let it be very small. Maybe 5 minutes help to someone, maybe 5 minutes reading of a book, or maybe 5 minutes doing some exercise or something, which will feed into your mind and it strengthens your willpower. We already read in the past topics that we have got 4 powers with us. One is self-awareness, one is conscience, then we have imagination, and we have willpower. So when you are self-aware that you are committing, and when your conscience says you have to keep your commitment, and if you can imagine what will be the after effects if you don't keep the commitments, and if you think that willpower initially will help you to strengthen the willpower itself. So utilizing these 4 faculties which are in our mind, you can always make and keep your commitment. So it's all the power of brain and the power of your mind. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.